Once again, all that traffic going slow because it's a blind corner, but going too slow can cause problems like this. Speed isn't the problem. Too little or too much speed is the problem. So here's that blind corner that we're going into. Okay, blind corner. Big problem, big problem, big problem, big problem. So we start putting our foot down. That's when you know it's a new rider. Okay, so we start putting our foot down. Here's the thing. When you're out riding, don't put your feet down because the thing is, your tires are doing the job. So your only controls that you're supposed to be doing is the primary controls, which is going to be the throttle, the brakes, so front and rear, the clutch lever, and then also the shifting. So that right there is all you should be doing. At no point does it say put your feet down and paddle walk it around a corner on the main road. You could do that when you're parking your bike, but you're not supposed to be doing that right now. So right here, we're getting ready to do what? Okay, we're not flat tracking. We're not doing anything like that. So we're not paying attention to what we should be paying attention to, which is the primary controls. You notice he probably pulled in the clutch. Now we're giving it throttle to go up, and we have no power to that rear wheel, so we start falling back, and now we start going back to, okay, I'm going to put my foot down. So it looks like we stalled, or it looks like we just slammed the brakes, and now we're starting to dump the bike because we're turning towards it. So if you have your handlebars turned left and you squeeze the brakes, it's going to go down and then go to the left. Same thing to the right, go down, go to the right. So he's turning left right here, and that's going to cause him, when he slams that brakes, to go that way, okay? And that right there could be your hip. That could be your head. Could have issues. So be very careful with that.